Ever come across a kitchen gadget that makes you stop and think, wait, that actually exists? There are so many weird and clever tools out there that can totally change how you cook, clean, and even store food. I've listed the best ones that are not only unique but also super useful in ways you wouldn't expect. Whether you're into cooking or just like cool gadgets, you'll probably find something here that makes kitchen life easier. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Trivets for hot dishes. Designed with superior heat insulating and stain-resistant properties, this wooden mat protects surfaces from hot cookware without warping or damage. The 8-inch size fits everything from plates to frying pans up to 14 inches. Crafted from sapele wood, it blends durability with style. It includes a unique stand for tree-like organization, doubling as a decorative piece. The foldable design makes it portable and convenient, perfect for quick use and easy storage when not needed. Angry Mom Microwave Cleaner. With a fun, high-quality plastic design, this microwave cleaner uses natural steam to tackle tough grime. Just add vinegar and water, microwave for a few minutes, and the clever vented top releases steam to soften stains. It's dishwasher safe, safe at high temperatures, and can even be enhanced with lemon for a fresher scent. This cute, angry figure turns cleaning into a quicker, more enjoyable task and makes a quirky yet useful gift. Eco 3 Compact Kitchen Food Recycler. Equipped with a patented grinding system, this compact recycler transforms food scraps into plant food efficiently. Its sleek 11-inch x 9-inch x 13-inch frame fits on any counter, and the removable bucket offers flexible prep placement. The carbon filter keeps it odorless while operating quietly. With just a single button and LED progress lights, it's user-friendly and low maintenance. Toss in leftovers, bones, or peels, and cut down on trash effortlessly. Electric Jar Opener. Featuring upgraded torque, this kitchen gadget effortlessly tackles even the toughest jar lids. A one-touch operation starts and stops automatically, making it perfect for those with hand pain or arthritis. The soft silicone grip ensures safe use without pinching fingers. Lightweight and compact, it stores easily and works well at home, in restaurants, or while camping. It's an ideal helper for anyone needing a little extra strength when opening jars. Dash Mini Maker. With dual non-stick surfaces and a quick heat-up time, this compact appliance cooks pancakes, eggs, grilled cheese, and more in minutes. Weighing just over 1 pound, it's ideal for dorms, RVs, or small kitchens. Just plug it in and start cooking. No need for multiple pans. Its sleek design and small footprint make it easy to store. A practical gift that suits anyone needing fast, mess-free, individual-sized meals. Food Making System. Designed for making fresh meals, this system includes a motor base, blending blade, batch bowl, short cup, storage cups, silicone tray, and a recipe book. All containers are made from BPA-free, durable plastic, and everything is dishwasher safe. It simplifies preparing, storing, and freezing food for grab-and-go convenience. Ideal for small batch cooking, the included tools make it easy to portion, blend, and freeze meals without creating a mess or needing extra tools. Cob Corn Stripper. Built with hidden stainless steel blades, this tool easily removes kernels by twisting it around a cob. The safe design makes it kid-friendly, letting even younger helpers enjoy food prep. Compact enough to fit in kitchen drawers, it's great for year-round corn lovers. Whether you're prepping for salads, soups, or side dishes, it streamlines the process and reduces mess, making corn removal fast, safe, and simple for the whole family. NextGen Garlic Twister. Equipped to mince garlic, ginger, herbs, and nuts, this handheld tool simplifies prep with a twisting motion. Just pre-smash-inch the garlic, load in a few cloves, and twist down for minced results. Garlic peels and minced bits come out cleanly without using rockers or presses. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen and gets easier with use. Compact, effective, and easy to rinse, it saves time and effort in everyday cooking. Egg Cracker Tool. Designed to crack eggs in seconds without mess or shell bits, this lightweight tool works for both raw and boiled eggs. Just press and pop the shell, No tools or cleanup needed. Great for quick breakfast prep or baking, it keeps yolks whole and hands clean. Weighing only 35 grams, it's easy to pack for travel, camping, or picnics. Simple, effective, and perfect for anyone who wants cleaner egg cracking. Revolution Smart Toaster. Featuring algorithms for 38 bread types, this smart appliance includes extra-wide slots, a full-color screen, and 3-tap controls. InstaGelo technology heats in 2 seconds for crisp outsides and soft insides. The built-in digital photo display adds a personal touch when not in use. Toast anything, bagels, frozen waffles, or gluten-free options, perfectly every time. Optional accessories like a toast tie press or warming rack expand its use beyond toast for even more mealtime options. Electric wine chiller. Crafted with a brushed metal refrigerated barrel and stainless steel casing, this wine chiller accommodates most 750 milliliters wine bottles. It ensures efficient cooling between 41 degree F, 64 degree F with easy-to-use touchscreen controls. Portable and elegant, it's perfect for small spaces like RVs or offices. Unlike ice buckets, it avoids messy condensation and fits popular champagne brands. The LED display lets you monitor the temperature while keeping your wine cool for every occasion. Lamu Lazy Susan Organizer. Designed to rotate smoothly within spaces larger than 17.5 inch by 13 inch, this rectangular Lazy Susan improves organization in fridges, cabinets, and pantries. Its unique heart-shaped curve symbolizes thoughtful design, while the 360 degrees turntable offers easy access to sauces and jars. Inspired by patented innovation, the layout prevents forgotten items at the back. More than just functional, it transforms cluttered storage into a clean, efficient setup for those who love organized living. Fruit and vegetable purifier. Equipped with high-energy ion purification, this portable cleaner uses only water to eliminate over 99% of harmful residues from produce, meats, grains, and kitchen items. With a 10-minute operation and detachable design, it's easy to clean and recharge. A wireless build, IPX7 waterproof rating, and safety-first mechanism make it ideal for modern kitchens. Compact and efficient, it helps extend food freshness while simplifying the process of safe meal preparation. Cake scraper. Made from thick, durable stainless steel, this multipurpose cake scraper features a dual-edge design, one smooth and one with a square pattern, for decorative buttercream designs. Suitable for shaping cake edges or working with fondant, cheese, dough, and more, it helps create clean, even finishes. Simply steady your cake on a stand and use the edge to sculpt beautiful details. Easy to clean and long-lasting, it's a go-to tool for any baking enthusiast. Fridge magnets. Featuring large, strong magnets, this decorative set securely holds photos and papers in place. Each flower-shaped magnet is made from hard resin with a matte finish that resists fading, measuring 1.7 inches wide, ideal for wider fridge or locker surfaces. Packaged in drop-proof boxes with gift options, they combine practicality with charm. Perfect for adding a touch of personality to everyday spaces, they offer both style and functionality in one. Digital Pocket Gram Scale. Measuring 5.2 by 2.99 by 0.79 inches, this compact gram scale offers precision up to 0.01 G for items under 200 G. Featuring a stainless steel platform, backlit LCD display, and protective flip cover, it's easy to carry and read. The unit supports 6 weight modes and includes tare function and auto shutoff. Ideal for weighing jewelry, coins, and small items, it calibrates easily and ensures accurate results every time it's used. Refrigerator door lock. Built for child safety, this refrigerator lock prevents children from accessing food or getting trapped inside appliances. It requires no tools, just peel, stick, and secure. The strong adhesive holds firmly without damaging surfaces. Designed to work on fridges, cabinets, toilets, or windows, it offers versatile protection. Used by families worldwide, it provides peace of mind by keeping kids safe from hidden household dangers. Includes 2 keys and excellent customer support. Maker's Burger Press. Shaping perfectly round 5-inch patties, This burger press delivers consistent results with defined grill grooves. Built from food-grade stainless steel, it's non-magnetic, dishwasher-safe, and includes 100 non-stick patty papers for easy freezing and handling. The ergonomically designed handle ensures comfortable pressing, whether from the top or side. Durable and simple to use, it makes cooking cleaner and more efficient. Ideal for anyone who enjoys grilling with precision and ease. Balmuda the toaster. Designed for versatility, this compact toaster features 5 cooking modes to accommodate breads, pizzas, and pastries. A steam layer toasts the surface while preserving interior moisture, resulting in crisp yet fluffy textures. With precise control over 3 temperature zones, it enhances taste and aroma. A sleek, countertop-friendly design adds style to any kitchen. Whether it's for artisan bread or reheating pastries, it delivers gourmet-level performance with every use. Rotatable strainers for kitchen. Constructed from food-safe stainless steel, plastic, and silicone, this strainer fits securely into a bowl with a 360 degrees rotating axis. Its lockable tilt prevents food spills while draining. With small holes for quick water release, it doubles as a standalone colander or part of a mixing set. A transparent lid includes interchangeable graters for slicing and shredding, while a secure seal preserves freshness. Durable and multifunctional, it simplifies everyday kitchen prep. Who knew the kitchen could be this fun? These 20 crazy Amazon gadgets prove that cooking doesn't have to be ordinary. It can be clever, quirky, and totally mind-blowing. Whether you're a pro chef or just someone who loves cool tools, these picks are sure to spice things up. Want to snag any of these gadgets for your own kitchen? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.